Hi, it's Charity Lowe here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to color match your colored pencils with the photo that you want to draw from. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to color test all your pencil crayons and having the corresponding name or code number that is on the pencil. I'm personally using the color code. Now I'm going to be using each pencil crayon that I have and coloring it in the box that it corresponds to. Okay, the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to trace like I normally do with a light H4 pencil. You could also use a light colored pencil if you'd like. I put this photo into a photo editing app so I can use the color grabber. I'll be comparing the color that was picked in that circle at the bottom left of my tablet to the swatches of colors that I have on that piece of paper. First, I'm going to be coloring it in lightly and just building it up until I get to the shade that I want to get to. It is easier to go from lighter to darker than darker to lighter. I'm also using circular motions, which will help with blending later on in my drawing. If you spend time looking for the slight differences throughout the drawing from highlights and shadows, and also from reflected colors from light shining off of other objects surrounding it, the more realistic it will look. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe and follow Vinci Eye App on their social media accounts. Comment if you have any requests for future videos. Have fun and don't stop creating.